Ready to unwind naturally and greet each day feeling your best? Chamomile has been treasured for centuries for its gentle, calming powers, but recent research shows it offers so much more. Today, we'll reveal the 10 most soothing, science-backed ways to enjoy chamomile, each paired with a simple recipe you can try right away. 1. Reduces anxiety and promotes relaxation. Chamomile is renowned for its ability to ease stress and anxiety thanks to apigenin, a natural compound that binds to certain receptors in your brain to induce calm and decrease anxiety levels. Both centuries of tradition and modern clinical trials support its relaxing effect, with some studies suggesting it can even help reduce symptoms in people with generalized anxiety disorder. And here's a great recipe you can use. Simply steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes. Let the steam relax you as you sip this soothing herbal tea during the evening or whenever you need a natural sense of peace. 2. Soothes digestive upset and cramps. Chamomile is a classic remedy for digestive discomfort, including indigestion, cramps, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Its gentle antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory actions help relax intestinal muscles and ease pain by targeting inflammation in the gut. For a good relief, try brewing chamomile tea before or after meals. Just steep dried chamomile in hot water, strain, and enjoy. It's a natural, gentle way to comfort your stomach. 3. Improves sleep quality. If you struggle with getting restful sleep, chamomile may offer gentle help. The mild sedative effects of apigenin in chamomile can support better sleep by binding to receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and drowsiness. Multiple studies have shown that chamomile improves overall sleep quality, especially for those with insomnia or chronic sleep issues. A warm cup of chamomile tea about half an hour before bed can set the mood for a peaceful night. Simply steep the flowers, inhale the aroma, and let your mind wind down. 4. Reduces eye puffiness and irritation. Lack of sleep, allergies, or eye fatigue can leave your eyes looking tired and puffy. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory compounds offer gentle relief when applied topically, with research supporting its ability to calm irritation and reduce swelling. Here's a comforting tip. Soak the chamomile tea bags in cool water, chill them in the fridge, then place gently on closed eyes for 10 minutes. This mini spa moment can refresh your gaze and soothe irritation. 5. Heals skin irritations. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a natural choice for calming minor skin woes, like rashes, eczema, and even wounds. Studies highlight chamomile's effectiveness in speeding up wound healing and reducing redness and itchiness. To try this at home, brew chamomile tea, let it cool, and apply with a soft cloth as a compress to irritated skin, or use chamomile-infused creams as needed. 6. Relieves menstrual pain. For those dealing with menstrual cramps, chamomile can offer real comfort. Its compounds have been shown in clinical trials to relax uterine muscles and diminish the inflammation that contributes to cramps, sometimes matching the effectiveness of pain medications. Drink chamomile tea daily during your period. Steep a hearty mug and sip slowly to let its relaxing effects ease your discomfort naturally. 7. Supports oral health. Chamomile isn't just gentle on the gut and nerves, it also helps your mouth. Its antimicrobial and soothing action can reduce gum inflammation and help heal mouth ulcers or minor irritations. Make your own mouth rinse by brewing twice-strength chamomile tea. Let cool and swish gently in your mouth twice daily after brushing. 8. Eases cold symptoms. Feeling stuffy or under the weather? Chamomile is frequently used as a natural remedy during colds, with evidence showing that both drinking chamomile tea and inhaling its steam can relieve congestion and calm sore throats, thanks to its soothing, anti-inflammatory effects. Try inhaling steam from a mug of freshly brewed chamomile tea, or simply enjoy the warm beverage to comfort your throat. 9. Promotes healthy, glowing skin. Chamomile's antioxidants defend your skin from free radical damage and visible aging. While its calming properties help even out skin tone and texture, research confirms that topical chamomile can help brighten skin and reduce redness. For a simple toner, splash cooled chamomile tea on your face after cleansing, or look for skincare products made with real chamomile extract. 10. The ultimate chamomile and honey face mask. Want a deep, soothing skin treatment? Chamomile teams up with honey and oats for a moisturizing, calming mask that comforts even the most sensitive skin. The combined anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial action has been shown to improve skin appearance and promote healing. Mix cooled chamomile tea with a tablespoon of raw honey and a teaspoon of ground oats. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Your face will feel calm, soft, and refreshed. Chamomile gently restores calm and comfort, whether you're winding down, easing an ache, or glowing from the inside out. Try these science-backed uses and recipes to make chamomile your everyday herbal ally. Next time, get ready to meet a berry-packed plant that supercharges your immune system. Don't miss it.